everyone, Tifa here. Today we're going to check out Geysir Geothermal Field and then off to Fontana Baths and the thermal bread experience. Geysir Geothermal Field. While the original geyser is no longer very active, the geothermal field still boils, steams, and bubbles non-stop. Strokkur is the most active and predictive on the Geysir Geothermal Field right now. The walk to the geothermal field is really easy. Parking is free. You pull in, walk across the street in the path. The path will take you right to Strokkur. You can see it erupt quite a few times. Actually, it was going about every 5 to 6 minutes for us. We were very lucky to get to see multiple eruptions, and every single one is different. How cool is that?
That one's bubbling. It's a bubbler. And it smells like a little bit of sulphur. It's not terrible though.
There is also a nice gift shop right next to the parking lot, and of course this is where the water closets are, the restrooms. There's lots of cool stuff in here. This is also where we found our lava salt that we were looking for. Our next stop is Fontana Thermal Baths, but we are here for the thermal bread experience for now. Fontana follows the Icelandic tradition of baking sweet, dense rye bread in the thermal sands that are right on Lake Laugarvatn.
Okay, so my name is Ricardo. I'm from Portugal, and I was saying that today we're going to see a very special bakery. Yeah, so you're free to take pictures, and we'll come back and then we'll taste the bread.
So twice a day you can join the baker as they dig up a pot of bread and then taste it right out of the ground. They do also have the lava bread available in the cafe in the Fontana Baths if you're coming in for a visit.
This is the biggest hot spring we have in town. We use it to heat all the houses and baths in town. Wow. And we use it as well for the pools, to heat the pools. And we actually have natural baths in our Fontana spa. So we just take the water from the hot spring, cool it down a bit to 40 degrees Celsius more or less. And it's a natural bath without chemicals. One of them, the pool that has rocks, surrounded by rocks. So the second biggest hot spring we have in town, it's under that wood building. It's So those are steam rooms, and we just use the water, the hot from the hot spring below, and it's a natural bath, natural steam bath. So you're literally seated on top of a hot spring. It's,
cool.
again,
I'd do
good for
that.
your health and skin. I really recommend it. So we use this heat to cook or bake the bread under the ground. So how long do you think it takes?
24 hours.
24 hours, an hour, okay. Any more guesses?
12 hours.
12 hours, okay.
I would say
15 minutes,
I
okay.
would say 40
Okay,
minutes.
so thank you for the guesses. It takes 24 hours, so it takes one complete day because
think
it's
I
a
read
slow
that.
cooking process. So if we want one now, we have to put one yesterday. If we want one tomorrow, we have to put one now. So we're going to do that as well.
Okay.
So let's dig it. So this is how we in Fontana mark our food. So this is not private, this is for the whole village. So the whole village can come over here and put something. We use it to bake breads or cook breads. Some people do stews, for example, or cakes. It's up to you to decide. We use it rocks. Some people use flags or sticks, leaves, shells. As long as it's not rocks. Yeah. So. Yeah. Let me fill it from here, please.
From a nice bath.
Yeah.
It's warm.
So in the past, people used to just lay down and be warm. Yeah. So now we give names to each pile. So this is Tommy. So we're going to eat Tommy today.
Hi, Tommy.
Yeah. And this is his brother Tommy too. We have also other spots. For example, that one is Erpla, and we have Sigi and Haldor. And all these ones have names. Usually they are very good bakers, these two brothers. I just have to find. Yeah, it's already bubbling.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, there it is.
So many words.
Okay. So this is how we know it's a good spot. When we see these puddles of boiling water. Some days it's more active than other days, and the hot spring can move. So it can move a little bit more to one side or the other. So we just have to find this puddle. So the water is boiling, so it's 100 degrees Celsius. It's about 212 Fahrenheit. I'll dig a little bit more. Oh, 212 Fahrenheit. Yeah? So now I'm going to put another Tommy. So yeah, it actually melts. So we have to put a lot of layers, and it will be a thick layer of plastic in the end, because it will melt with each other. Okay. Bye, Tommy.
Bye,
See you in
Tommy.
24 hours. Now we have to put a lot of sand.
Tommy too gluten free.
So his brother will be eat it in 1 hour more or less. Okay, so now I'll have to compress a little.
Yeah. Also, fun. I thought they do like a whole bunch of stuff now.
Great.
It's a nice volcano.
Yeah. And now our brand.
We've done this before.
The rock. We're telling.
Ta-da!
Very nice.
And we just wait.
Well done.
Yeah.
Good job.
And now it's time to see what kind of bread we have. So I'm going to baptize him in the lake.
That's not hot in here. I mean,
This?
I guess it's not.
Yeah,
right?
not
It's
not
like
this,
sand,
not
so-
this. Yeah, but here it is. So you can come over here. Try to feel the waters here near the shore. If you see it boiling, please don't touch it.
Yeah.
So here, the water is warm. But the rest of the lake is cold. And it actually freezes it during the winter. So here it's cold already. I'm doing this to stop the cooking process. Okay. Now let's see what we have. I'm going to that bench over there. Oops. So I have an extra layer of protection. Okay. And the moment of the truth. We have a very good bread with a very good golden crust.
So this is where they bake them. Right here. Boiling puddles. Natural.
Thank you. The taste.
There we go.
All right.
Go on, Tommy. I'm really running to my car.
The bread carrier.
This is algae.
Algae, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
They grow
goes everywhere.
hot streams. Yeah, we have a very good
steamy
bread.
still.
Still steaming.
Look at that. Perfect.
Okay.
It is
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wow.
Smell it, please.
Smell it.
So it smells. Some
You think
people,
that's the bread you had at breakfast?
some people say it's similar to a cake because it has sugar, but you can see that it's really fluffy. So it has the perfect amount of moist. Now I will cut it.
I know.
Kverabröd.
Kverabröd.
Ja.
Means bread from the hot spring. Okay. Okay. So what we usually recommend is having a slice of bread on your hand, cut a slice of butter, put it on top, and just let it melt. It's so hot that it will almost instantly melt. It will.
So yes, the bread was very good. It's very thick and it is sweet, and the butter just melted right on it. And there is an upgraded package where you can also taste the salmon with the bread, but we did not get that. We just wanted to eat the bread. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. As a new content creator, that really helps me out. I will see you soon.